the first single from the upcoming Telugu film Pedi, directed by Buchi Babu Sana, set for release on 27 March 2026. Chikiri Chikiri, composed by A.R. Rahman and sung by Mohit Chauhan, is a high-energy, rustic love anthem that captures the protagonist Pedi's, Ram Charan, mesmerized first glimpse of the heroine, Achayamma. Janhavi Kapoor embodies Achayamma with a blend of fiery confidence and effortless allure, transforming the song into a vibrant celebration of rural romance. Her contribution stands out in a track primarily centered on Ram Charan's jubilant village dances, adding a magnetic spark through her limited but impactful screen time. Janhavi's performance is concise yet electrifying, focusing on a celebratory group dance sequence by a crackling bonfire that serves as the song's emotional crescendo. Janhavi's role emphasizes synchronized ensemble moves that highlight her as the village's enchanting chikiri, a local term for a captivating beauty. She executes fluid, playful hip sways and twirls with natural grace, syncing seamlessly to the pulsating percussion and upbeat rhythm, evoking a sense of communal joy rather than solo virtuosity. Her energy feels organic and immersive in the 1980s rural Andhra Pradesh setting, drawing from folk-inspired steps that amplify the track's infectious vibe. Janhavi channels a stunning village ballet aesthetic that perfectly aligns with the song's earthy, unpretentious charm. She's draped in a simple yet striking half sari, a traditional Telugu ensemble, in vibrant hues, lightly deep reds or earthy tones with minimal embellishments, that drapes elegantly over her form, accentuating her light figure without veering into overt glamour. Her hair flows in loose, wind-swept waves, adorned with subtle jasmine flowers, evoking natural rural beauty. Minimal makeup enhances her features, kohl-lined eyes for intensity, a touch of blush for warmth, and nude lips for approachability. Accessories are restrained, a thin necklace, bangles, and anklets that jingle softly during her moves, reinforcing Achayamma's grounded, no-frills allure. This look has been praised for its stunning village girl vibe, making her appear radiant and relatable, a far cry from urban diva roles, and starring the song's core theme of raw, unadorned attraction. In promotional stills, she's also glimpsed atop a jeep, waving confidently to a crowd, blending sensuality with spirited independence. Janhavi's facial expressions masterfully convey Achayamma's playful mystique and subtle awareness of her admirers' gaze, adding layers to the song's love at first sight narrative. During the bonfire sequence, her eyes sparkle with mischievous delight, wide and inviting, locking onto the camera, and implicitly Pedi, with a knowing smile that teases without overt seduction. Close-ups capture soft, radiant smiles that bloom into full, joyful laughs amid the group dance, her brows arching in faint surprise or coy amusement as Ram Charan's character pursues her affections from afar. These moments feel genuine and emotive, blending innocence with a hint of boldness that mirrors the lyrics' affectionate ode to her natural beauty, with her expressions injecting heart into the peppy track, making her the emotional anchor despite limited screen time. A few reaction clips note slightly uncomfortable close shots that lean sensual, but overall, her emoting elevates the rustic romance. The chemistry between Janhavi and Ram Charan simmers with unspoken tension, fueling the song's theme of mesmerized infatuation. While direct duets are sparse, their interplay shines through intercut shots. Ram Charan's lusty, wide-eyed stares from hillocks and village paths, dancing exuberantly as if declaring his emotions, contrast beautifully with Janhavi's distant, teasing glances during her bonfire revelry, creating a push-pull dynamic of pursuit and allure. It's not fiery passion but a tender, budding romance, amplified by Rahman's lively tune and the rustic visuals, where his energetic moves seem inspired by her presence. Overall, Janhavi's turn-in, Chikiri Chikiri, is a captivating appetizer for Pedi, blending visual splendor with subtle emotional depth. It's already trending for its choreography and her pure fire vibe, though some critique the sexualization, yet it undeniably hooks viewers, setting high expectations for her full arc as the fearless Achayamma.